Hi, today I'm for Galaxy Tab 6 Lite 2022 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google or Google Assistant option on this device. So first we should launch the Google application, tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Then tap to the voice section and click to voice match. To activate Hey Google option, you should tap on the switcher. After that, just tap here to next. Yes, I agree. Continue. Not now. And we can see here that the Hey Google option successfully activated. If you want to retain your voice model, just click the voice model, just assistant to recognize your voice. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.